Hi everyone, we're going to do a crankshaft application problem involving the law of sines. So we have on a certain automobile, the crankshaft is 3 inches long. This is the crankshaft here, so that's 3 inches right there. And then the connecting rod is 9 inches, so from A to the piston here. Alright, and this angle so the angle OPA is 15 degrees. So this angle here is 15, it goes here. And we want to know the length from A to O. I mean from P to O. So we want to know the length of P to O of the crankshaft. So we're going to use the law of sines, and we're going to let this O be theta. So I'm going to let the center be theta, because I want to know this angle here. What's that angle? So I'm going to let theta equal the angle we're looking for, AOP. Alright, so basically we have sine of theta. Across from that is 9 inches equals, and we have the 15 here. So sine of 15 degrees over, and the side across from 15 is 3. So we're going to cross this 9 up here. So we get sine of theta equals 9 sine of 15 degrees over 3, which is basically 3 sine of 15. So theta, or sine of theta, equals 0.7765. Alright, so theta is going to be inverse sine of that, 0.7765. So theta equals approximately 50.94. Alright, but what we have to do is subtract this from 180, because it could also be, depending on how it's drawn, 180 minus 50.94. So that could be 129.06. Alright, so basically this is a side angle problem, and this is the ambiguous case. So basically we have theta equaling 50.94, or I'll call this theta 2 equal 129.06. So we have A, I'll call this A1, is going to equal 114.06, or A equals 35.94 degrees. So this is the ambiguous case where you have to subtract. You have two different triangles. So basically we're going to do two different problems, and we'll do it in the next page. We have sine of 114.06 over A equals sine of 15 degrees over 3, or we're going to have sine of 35.94 degrees over A equals sine of 15 degrees over 3. So when you cross multiply, you get A equals 3 sine of 114.06, which is approximately 10.58 inches. Or you have A equals 3, whoops, I forgot to put this over sine of 15. So you have 3 sine 35.94 over sine of 15, which is approximately 6.8 inches. So we have two different values here. And the approximate distance, therefore the approximate distance from the piston to the center of the crankshaft is either 6.80 inches or 10.58 inches. Thank you and have a nice day.